So we'll start here. That's all you want to do is, right, keep this swing plane exactly natural. Exactly level, and just naturally shift your weight back and forth from foot to foot. Right, so here it is. Boom. Right, we're bracing. This is my front hip clearing.
So I saw that guy's video, Blitz DG. He calls the Swirly bird. It's kind of a play on the Overthrow's Twirly bird. And it's just supposed to help you feel the correct feeling for a brace, for your elbow coming through getting into the pocket before you start throwing the disc instead of rounding, and a lot of other things. So I was trying to just practice that in my living room a little bit last night for a few minutes, and then today for a few minutes I went out to a field and recorded myself trying it with a disc, and man, got some good snap. Still a work in progress, but I will keep on plugging away. So I've got to come out and practice because I don't know how it's going to come out when I'm doing this move, you know. That really snapped off my fingers.
There you go. Oof.
That was a crazy snap, right?
Yep.
By the Firebird.
Not a crazy snap, but a great throw. Kind of slipped out though, huh?
That's too high.
Yeah. Oof. That was great. A little high, but great.
It wasn't even very hard.
What disc was that?
This is my maul.
Turn it over.